Ladies and gentlemen, I am Councilman Paul Alexander of SMD1 in San Angelo, Texas, and we are here in SMD1 among the area of Lake Nasworthy at the San Angelo Nature Center. The inner circle of the Black-tailed Prairie Dog Club welcomes you to Emmy's second birthday, Groundhog Day, West Texas style. Now, I know this is the largest ever crowd for this event, and I applaud you for coming out to the Nature Center on Groundhog Day today. You're making history in San Angelo, Texas that I'm sure will go on for many, many years to come. And then we'll look back at this day and say, hey, look what it used to be like. Only a few people showed up, because this will get bigger in the future. Many of you are familiar with the tradition of Groundhog Day. However, groundhogs are not native to this area, but their distant cousin, the black-tailed prairie dog, is. And we have our own overnight sensation right here in San Angelo, a black prairie dog named Emmy. Woo! It is my honor to introduce to you the inner circle of, what's the inner circle? All right, the inner circle comprises of Michael Price, director of the Nature Center, otherwise known as Snake Man. Also, Kat Bunker, naturalist of the Nature Center. She's the caretaker of Emmy, hence why she can bark so well. Otherwise known as Miss Skunker, and the wind's going that way. So we're upwind. Yes. Okay, notice how this works. All right. And Matt Madigan of KSAN Television, otherwise known as the Weatherman. Now, you want to know what my nickname is? I am San Angelo's Mr. Water. Okay, just to give you an idea of what's going to happen in the next few minutes, Emmy is comfortable in her luxurious man-made burrow right now. Oh, she is. She's comfortable. She's sleeping. She's been sleeping for a while. Michael Price will come forward and tap on the burrow 3 times. It is said that when the director of the Nature Center taps on the burrow with a walking stick, that something magic occurs. Mr. Price will be able to understand prairie dog-ese. Now, he is the only one and only man or woman in the entire world that can understand prairie dog-ese at this moment. Now, we'll place Emmy on the table. Emmy will convey her wishes to the director. The director will convey the answers to the weather guy, Matt. Now, lest you think we play games, there will be 2 scrolls to pick from. One calls for 6 more weeks of winter. I knew there were some yays out there. I knew there were my kids. Where are you? They want winter. They want snow. All right. Now, in Pennsylvania, it's all booze. All right. And the other calls for spring to be just around the corner. Now, contrary to popular belief, I know some of you out here are trying to come out here and fool this or influence it. Emmy cannot be challenged. She cannot be fooled. She cannot be influenced by any of you. You have to have that walking stick. She's going to call it the way it's going to be. Once again, I thank you for coming out today. I'm going to turn it over to the director of the magical powers.
Thank you. Actually, would you hold this just for 1 second?
Sure.
Let's pull Emmy out. Let's get her up here. We'll get
Oh, the walking stick. Good morning.
All right. 3 times.
We used a lot of tape.
Secrets. Mr. Madigan here.
Alrighty. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. On the shores of Lake Nasworthy, on this magnificent Groundhog Day, February 2nd, 2013, Emmy the Prairie Dog, the cutest of critters, the furriest of forecasters, was summoned from her quarters of the San Angelo Nature Center. She greeted her handlers, Michael Price and Paul Alexander, and after casting an appreciative glance to her faithful followers in attendance, Emmy has proclaimed, "As I look at the crowd commencing this day, many a shadow do I see. 6 more weeks of winter, it must be."
Look, I get the squirmy prairie dog and get to talk. Now, to make up for the whole 6 weeks of winter, which apparently some of you are unhappy about, the Nature Center is going to offer a discount of $6 off of a family membership to give you something to do during the drudges of that horrible 6 weeks.
We, the inner circle of the Black-tailed Prairie Dog Club, thank you for coming out this morning. Emmy, the furriest of all forecasters, also thanks you. There are still plenty of activities going on, including some free popcorn, Girl Scout cookies over there. We have games, crafts, a petting zoo. Story time has now been moved to the backyard with Miss Skunker. And door prizes. Door prizes will be at 11, 11:30, and 12. So come on in and enjoy the rest of the activities. Thank you for coming again.